Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
And a much needed update video.
A workshop walk around and a bit of an update.
There has been so much going on, guys, you won't believe.
We're so busy.
Oh, we've got not enough hours in the day.
No.
We're so busy, there is so much going on. We thought it'd be best to tell you what we've been up to. I can hear people talking in the background. Show you what's been happening and tell you some plans for upcoming episodes.
Yeah.
There we go. Let's start over
where
here.
we are. The E30.
Look, what's that?
We have a windscreen.
It's got a new
Look at
windscreen.
It's beautiful. It's lovely green tint glass with a green tint top. I absolutely love it. It goes beautifully with my paint with a hidden secret.
Hidden secret paint.
Wiper arms are loosely in place. They've been fully restored. Some of you may know about the Bosch
arm
Champion.
issue. You might have seen that we put a
It pained
poll
me to put the
on.
Bosch ones on because the Champion ones are so much prettier.
No, the Bosch ones are better
The
though.
Champion ones are, let me get a Champion one.
Oh, here we go. I said put Bosch ones on. Lewis said I don't want Bosch ones, I want Champions.
Look how much prettier
Let's
the
see.
Champion one is.
Granted, okay.
It's so
hold on.
much
Let me switch
sleeker.
this round. The Champion ones are prettier than the Bosch ones. I will
Thank
give you
you.
that, but they don't work as well.
They didn't. The mechanism didn't click in, so I'd have had to have stolen the Bosch mechanism to work.
The
and then-
better
which
mechanism.
I did steal it, but I'd actually have to modify it, and I thought at the point of modifying window wipers, I'll just put the Bosch ones on.
So there we go. Look, wipers are on. All the glass is in. Side glass,
It's
rear
looking
glass.
really
It's
nice.
actually looking like a car again.
Yeah, it
Hold on,
really
does this
is.
shut properly?
No.
Oh, I don't like doors half open. But here we go. Look, she is looking
Let me
gorgeous.
shut it.
You're going to shut it?
Yeah.
See these lines proper? Oh, there we go. Much better.
And the bonnet.
And the bonnet. Click, click, click. There we go. She is
Yeah.
looking
Sick.
sick as. She is gorgeous.
Work under construction. I've fabricated from the same material we used to make Monica's lip. Made one of them. This hasn't had paint work yet. You can tell I've just started doing the cracks. Haven't painted the bumpers yet. Haven't painted the door handles yet. Haven't painted the mirrors yet. I actually want to make some sills for it.
Yes.
And I have a snag list.
Behold, you may want to pause and read that for yourself.
Don't make out my spelling.
No, there's no in this workshop. We are hoping to get this car finished in
May the
time for May the 4th.
For May the 4th, which is
Yeah.
our anniversary, and we're going to go cruising. In the
We're going to go
classics.
out cruising on our anniversary.
Ruffle some feathers.
And then we're going to go to the Wheels for Wales show on the
That is-
19th
This
of
car
May.
is booked in for show and shine. We are planning on winning. If you think you can beat us, turn up, buy
Yeah.
a ticket, turn up, beat us.
Good luck
Come on,
with that.
bring it on.
We'll see you there. Yeah, bring it on. But no, I can't get over how much more of a car this looks.
That windscreen changed it from being a project to being a car.
Yeah,
Just that one piece of glass. It was the last piece of glass in it, and it just sat in the corner looking like a project. As soon as that glass went in, it was like, that's a car now.
And I
That's
have
a
to
car.
actually give a shout out to Pete from Auto Windscreens.
Yes.
He knows what he's doing.
He was the, he said, oh, you asked for the old boy.
Yeah.
And he came round, he'd fit a classic car windscreens because you can't just get any old Joe round to fit a classic car windscreen. It's got specific tools. They're not just glued in, they are put in with a rubber thing and all that sort of stuff when they came.
He knows
We
his-
weren't
he
we
knows
weren't
his
allowed
stuff.
to buy the screen from them and fit it ourselves. We had to have their engineer fit it.
Yeah, I don't know.
And I was so nervous. I was so nervous. I
To
was
be
like,
honest,
touching my car.
I'll tell you this. I tried to buy a screen from BMW and it was £850.
Yes.
And I had to pay up front and have it delivered from Germany, and I was a bit, ooh, I don't think I could do that. So I was ringing around everybody trying to get a wholesale price for a windscreen, which was absolutely shocking.
Yeah.
And then I thought, how much is it going to cost to get it fitted? And I
You're
rang
from
Auto
Auto
Windscreens, 280 quid.
Yeah, it was fine. And
Supplied and fitted.
I know it's not a BMW one, but so much stuff on this car is not BMW.
Yeah.
It doesn't really bother me. It's
it's
a nice piece
windscreen.
of glass.
It's beautiful.
It's a lovely tin.
We're happy.
There's a big video coming towards the end of when this car's going to be finished. It's going to be like all that stuff gone through in
Done.
one video. and going for an MOT at the end of it, I think.
Oh, it's going to be so exciting.
Yeah.
Right, next job we've been up to, the big lady in the workshop, the Citron DS. Look at that. Isn't she
Long.
gorgeous? She's long. She's overhanging that ramp.
Just both sides
Both
overhanging the ramp.
sides.
So
But-
we've done this side has had this outer patch fabricated and welded on, and a new inner door bottom as well, all fabricated and welded on. And this is a bought patch that's been put on, but the inner has also been fabricated and installed. It's on the car at the minute to get the lining up correct.
Yeah. All the internal rust has been dealt with as well.
Yeah. Very waxy, very heavy in wax oil. The other side.
To the other side. Hold on. I do love this colour combination, the purple and the gold.
Patch. Big old patch put in there, repaired the other side as well. And all this door didn't need any sort of patches on the outside, but we did peel the skin open and remove all the rust with Deox gel, Bill Hamber Deox gel, which was a great product.
Yeah.
Removed quite a lot of the rust.
So the door bottom's de-rusted, fixed. We're up to the stage now where we're doing the last bit of fettling before paint.
Yeah, we'll be very shortly doing that. Monica has got her new wheels and her new stance. She needs a wash, Leanne.
Yes, she does need a wash. Oh, do you know what? If I could have some more time, it would be amazing. But here we go. We haven't finished it yet. Here's a sneak peek. These are the wheels for Monica. We've still got a few things to do.
We just need to finish editing the video.
We're on the process of editing that video, coming soon. But she is running like an absolute dream at the moment.
Yeah.
I am, but I'm in the process of doing an MPG calculation. Don't laugh. We brim the tank. And
It's now half empty.
1/4 has gone.
No, it's half empty.
It's
now.
half empty now.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I don't think I've done that many miles.
No, you haven't.
Because I parked it back in the shed. But
Change the subject. There's a caddy here.
I'd be happy with 20 miles a gallon. We will see. This has been getting work on as well. I don't know if
This went with us to Rustival. You'd have seen it briefly in the video we did. A Wines caddy came in for a small repair on the rear arch. We're filming it as a video coming. It ended up we just kept finding, and
As
then we just
in the workshop.
we bare metaled everything.
We bare metal the sides.
All that.
Hold on.
and
I'll
the roof,
swap.
everything.
Here we go. It's
So-
turned into a full side and roof bare metal respray.
We've done all the filler work, or 90% of it, and it's in epoxy, and we're just going through blocking that down. We had to kind of just go, right, we need to put more epoxy on this and seal it so we can get on with other stuff, so it can sit in the workshop and not rot. So that's where it's at. So it's not perfect. It's sort of in the middle of trying to get to primer, but it's nearly there.
Nearly there. Owen is coming in himself and doing work.
Yeah, massive amount. And he's an electrician as trade, but he's picking up sanding really quick. So
So we will be ruining his career and taking him into our workshop.
and then he won't earn any money at it.
Right, shall we go and have a look in the booth?
In the booth. It is Sunday today.
It is Sunday, Easter Sunday.
We have got Mark Simpson here. Hi, Mark.
Hiya. Okay.
Yeah, we are currently doing a very quick turnaround on a Mini over the Easter bank holiday weekend. So the Mini came in 90% there. It was very good. We did some fettling on the doors, and then basically we've just sanded it and reprimed it, and we are
Basically,
painting.
there's a
But
video
we've got-
coming of a full repaint over a bank holiday weekend.
Yeah, for 4 days. So day 1 was correction and repriming.
Yeah.
Day 2 was as much prep as we could and paint the roof and paint the backs of the panels. Day 3, which is today, is paint the car, and day 4 is put it back together so you guys can go home. Fortunately, you're not driving it.
But will they manage to make it?
I don't know.
Oh, the rain. Hopefully it
So
holds.
far, we've hit our schedule every day.
Every day we've hit.
And we're going to today. These are all ready to paint. This is basically ready to paint. I can see you finished the back panel, which is the end.
The last bit
So
of
we
500
just got
is
to
going. Let's have a
remask
look
now.
here.
Remask and clean.
Yeah, remask and clean.
So there we go, guys. Look, you'll be seeing more of this on the main video, obviously. But all is going to plan. Would you believe that?
Exciting.
I can't believe it. I can't believe
It's
it.
a refreshing change.
It is. So not many other things happening.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
Just collected some stainless steel
There's
tables
some-
for our outdoor
yes, we
kitchen.
did, yeah.
That was fun.
There's some Fiesta work coming.
Fiesta works coming. April
Yeah.
might be. We need to have one little chat with the owner.
Yeah.
It could be Fiesta month.
Or what was it? He's bought
A race replica TR7.
or a TR7. He doesn't know. We booked a month out to him because he's got a lot of work.
I'll tell you what,
and
guys,
he's
guys,
like,
let us know what you'd prefer to see, Fiesta Supersport or TR7.
I think we could do a bit of both.
A bit of both.
Yeah, he doesn't want a restoration on the TR. He just wants a good paint job. He doesn't want it ripped back. He just wants a race car paint
Maybe
job. So
we
that's
can
quite a
squeeze
quick
both
thing to
in
do.
then.
We can do the paint job and then maybe do a bit of fabrication on the Fiesta. Maybe.
Right,
Don't know.
well, sorry, I'm going to have to cut this
Stuffing
short
these guys
because
working.
you have only got hours left
Yes, I've
before
gotta get
paint's
on,
got to go
gotta
on.
get
So
on.
thanks very much for watching, guys. Don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell, and go and check out the merch store. There's some good stuff on there.
Ciao.
Bye, ciao.